I'm Abdullah. Today's discuss the carbohydrate. What is the carbohydrate? Carbohydrate means this is the carbo. Carbo means this is the carbon, and hydrate means this is the molecules of water. This is the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. This is the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. This is the carbon, hydrogen 2, 1:2:1. This is the ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And C6H12O6, CH2O. This is the ratio of carbon 1 and hydrogen, this is the 2, and oxygen 1. This is the ratio of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, there are three kinds of carbohydrates. Monosaccaride, monosaccharide. Number 2, disaccharide, and number 3, polysaccharide. Monosaccharide means the number of molecules 1. Mono, this is 1, and disaccharide means 2, and polysaccharide means complex of sugar. Monosaccharides, this is the simple sugar, and disaccharide double, and polysaccharide complex of sugar. Now we discuss the structure of glucose and fructose. Structure of glucose. Structure of glucose. CHO, CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the structure of glucose. When the number of 5 in the right side the OH, then it is called D-glucose. When the right side of the OH, then it is called D-glucose. And when in the left side OH, left side OH and right side is in the left side, then it is called L-glucose. L-glucose. This is the structure of glucose. And now CH2OH, C double bond O, C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 এবং 5 এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা দেব হচ্ছে OH, OH. This is the structure of fructose. This is the structure of glucose, CHOH, OH and H, CH, OH and COH, H and CH2OH. This is the structure of D-glucose. This is the structure of L-glucose. And CH2OH, C11O, COH, H and CHOH and COH, H and CH2OH. This is the structure of fructose. Now we discuss the ring structure of glucose. This is the ring structure of glucose. Structure alpha D glucose. This is the structure of alpha D glucose. These two ways. This is the structure of fructose. Structure of fructose. This is the alpha D glucose and this is the structure of fructose. Now discussion the what is the alpha D glucose and the fructose. This is the alpha D glucose and this is the fructose. Fructose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the structure of alpha D glucose and this is the structure of fructose. Discussion of monosaccharide. Now discussion disaccharide. This is the structure disaccharide. Is the maltose. Example, maltose. Now discussion the ring structure of maltose. This is the alpha D glucose and CH2 is Ace, and this is the hydrogen OH and OH. This is the number of ON, the increase minus water, and then the bond of oxygen bond. This is the structure of maltose. Structure of maltose. Now we discuss the structure of what is stars and cellulose. Monosaccharide means the simple sugar, and disaccharide means the double sugar, and polysaccharide means the complex of sugar. Now we discuss the polysaccharides. Polysaccharide means complex of sugar. Complex of sugar. Now we structure starch. Figure of structure starch. This is the structure of stress, and hydrogen OH and OH. This is the OH, the water of molecule, minus H2O. Then it is the bond of this is the oxygen bond, and the hydrogen OH simple. This is the bond of minus of water. This is the bond of oxygen. This is the structure of stress. Structure of stress. Very simple. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The structure of stress. This is the polysaccharide. This is the number of N. This is the structure of polysaccharide. This is the structure of stress. Now we discuss. This is the structure of stress. Now we discuss the what is the cellulose. What is cellulose? This is the very simple. CH2OH, 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 and ACE, ACE, OH, OH, ACE, OH. This is the ACE, OH, ACE, OH, ACE. This is the bond of carbon and this is the structure of cellulose. Structure of cellulose. This is the structure of cellulose. Structure of cellulose. Now we describe what is the function of carbohydrate. Now we discuss the importance of carbohydrate. Importance of carbohydrate. What is the importance of carbohydrate? They are, number one, they are important of source of, number one, they are important source of energy. Number one, they are important source of energy. Otherwise, it is the major part of energy. So this is the first important. They are important to source of energy. They are present in supplying. Number two, they are present in supplying the tissues in plants. They are present in supplying tissues in the plant. Number two, they are present in supplying the tissues and plant. Number three, the cellulose is the form of cellulose. It is a very important. The cellulose is the form of wood which made furniture. So number one, they are important, the source of energy. Number two, they are present in supplying tissues and plants. And cellulose is the form of wood which is made of furniture. And sucrose is used as a sucrose is used as a sweet. This is the importance of carbohydrate. And number 5, in animals of glucose is stored. Number 5, in animal glucose is stored in the form of glycogen. This is the importance of carbohydrate.